First of all, guys, the video you are watching on the screen right now is a 2D cartoon animation style video that we can create today using free AI tools. If we move to an example channel, I will show you how a channel like this is making thousands of dollars just by uploading this type of content. If we talk about the RPM of these videos, the RPM is extremely high. That means the revenue per thousand views is very high. On average, these videos can earn around $7 to $8 per thousand views, which is considered very good. So guys, let's move to the channel and take a look. As you can see on your screen, this channel currently has 138,000 subscribers and around 157 videos uploaded. If we talk about the audience, this channel is based in the United States, and it has already received millions of views. Now, if we look at the videos on this channel, you will notice something interesting. The videos are very simple cartoon-style animated videos. In these videos, you will see boxing scenes, fighting scenes, football moments, gym scenes, basketball comparisons, and many other sports situations. According to Social Blade, this channel is currently making between 6.6K to 105K per month. Yes, guys, that is the estimated monthly income. If we talk about yearly earnings, this channel is estimated to make between 52K to 835K per year. That means this channel is making hundreds of thousands of dollars. Please make sure to watch the video until the end, because I have already prepared a complete 2D cartoon animation master prompt for you. Inside this master prompt, I will explain everything step by step. This master prompt includes image prompts, video prompts, consistent character design, short, cinematic voiceover scripts, vertical video ratio, correct video format, character rules, scene, structure, chapters, video prompts and scene prompts, animation style, environment details. Basically, everything you need to create these videos is already included inside this master prompt. Now, what you need to do is very simple. I will put the master prompt link in the description. You just need to copy the master prompt. After copying it, simply open ChatGPT. Once you are inside ChatGPT, just paste the master prompt. After pasting it, simply click Generate. Now ChatGPT will start generating the content for you. First, it will give you Section 1, which contains Character 1 and Character 2, Design. After that, you will get Section 2, which includes 10 detailed image prompts. These prompts will include different scenes, such as football scenes, fighting scenes, running scenes, and many other amazing sports moments. Then ChatGPT will also generate 10 video prompts that you can use for animation tools. And the best part is that all of this is completely free. After that, the next section will include 10 image scene prompts, and then Section 4 will include the voiceover script. In the next part of the video, I will also show you how to increase and improve the voiceover script for better results. So guys, once everything is ready, the next step will be image generation. Please do not skip the video. So guys, now let's move to the image generation step. As I told you earlier, with this AI system we can generate both images and videos. But today, for image generation, we will only use Whisk AI. Simply open Whisk AI. After opening the website, the first thing you need to do is log in to your account. Once you log in, on the side panel, you will see an option called Style. Click on Style, and then go to Upload Image. Now what you need to do is take 3 to 4 screenshots from the channel thumbnails. These screenshots will help us maintain consistent character style. Now what I will do is go back to ChatGPT. Inside ChatGPT, I will copy Section 1, which contains the character designs, and paste it here. After that, I go back again and copy Scene 1 from the prompts. And I paste Scene 1 into Whisk AI. Next, from here we select the image ratio 9:16, because we are creating vertical videos for YouTube Shorts. After that, simply click on Generate. Within a few seconds, our first image will be ready. Just wait for a moment. As you can see, guys, our first image is now ready. It looks very amazing and beautiful. If you don't like the image, you can generate it again. Simply click Generate Again, and the AI will create another version. The best thing is that this is a completely free AI tool. It does not require credits. Now what I will do is go back to ChatGPT again. From here, I copy Scene 2, then I come back to Whisk AI, remove the Scene 1 prompt, and paste Scene 2 here. After pasting the prompt, simply click Generate Again. Within a few seconds, the second image will be ready. As you can see, guys, our second image is now generated, and it looks very impressive and clean. You need to repeat this process for all 10 scenes. Simply copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and click Generate. That's it. There is nothing complicated in this process. Now our images are ready. Let's move to the next step, which is video generation. For video generation today, we will use Grok AI. So first open Grok AI. After opening Grok AI, log in to your account. Once you log in, go to Settings. Inside Settings, go to Behavior. There you will see an option called Auto Generate. Simply disable Auto Generate. Now go to Imagine. Inside Imagine, click on the plus icon and upload the image you generated. After uploading the image, select the option Make Video. Now go back to ChatGPT again. Copy the Scene 1 motion prompt, then return to Grok AI and paste that prompt here. After pasting it, click Generate. Within about 30 seconds, Grok AI will generate the video for you. And this tool is also completely free. You can generate many videos without credits, although sometimes you may hit a limit. If that happens, simply log in with another account and you can continue generating videos. Now as you can see, guys, our first video is ready. You can see the character practicing boxing poses, which looks very amazing. Simply click Download and save the video. Now I repeat the same process. I upload the second image, go back to ChatGPT, copy Scene 2 motion, return to Grok AI, click Make Video, paste the prompt, and click Generate. After waiting about 30 seconds, the second video is ready. As you can see, it looks very professional, with zoom effects and movement similar to the original channel style. In the same way, you need to generate all the scenes. Scene 4, Scene 5, Scene 6, Scene 7, Scene 8, Scene 9, and Scene 10. There is no need to change anything. So guys, let's move to the voiceover step. After all the videos are ready, go back to ChatGPT. Then, ask ChatGPT to extend the voiceover slightly. ChatGPT will generate a longer voiceover script for you. After that, go to an online free tool called DTS Free Voice Generator. This tool provides around 10,000 free credits, which allows you to generate many voiceovers. Now paste the voiceover script here. You must log in first. After logging in, select the Brian voice. Then click Create Speech. For a few seconds, you will see the option Go to Registry. Click on it. Now the audio processing will start. As you can see, the voiceover is now being generated. After the processing is complete, simply download the voiceover audio. Final step is video editing. For editing today, we will use Filmora. Filmora is a very popular and easy editing tool. First, import all the video clips and the voiceover audio. Then place the audio on the timeline first. After that, add the videos one by one. Adjust the videos according to the voiceover timing. Once everything is aligned properly, add transitions between clips. I will use a simple black fade transition. Export the video in 4K 30 FPS. And that's it. As you can see, the final video is now ready, and it looks very clean and professional. Now you just need to create a channel like this, upload videos regularly, and make sure you optimize your channel SEO properly, because that is very important. Try to upload 2 to 3 shorts daily with a duration of 40 to 50 seconds or up to 1 minute. This works best for reach. If you upload consistently for 1 month, you will start seeing channel growth. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.